Typically, sir, is it audible? Typically, sir.
सम्राट सर यूट्यूब लाइव होಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ सम्राट सम्राट सर यूट्यूब लाइव ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ
ಲೈವ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್ ಲೈವ್ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ
Good afternoon. On behalf of the Department of Biotechnology, I welcome all our dear first semester students to this orientation program 2020. Just a minute. Good afternoon. On behalf of the Department of Biotechnology, I welcome all our dear first semester students to this orientation program 2020. So this is where we are situated. So the department here is at Engineering Sciences block, level 5. The Department of Biotechnology, I welcome all our dear first semester students to this orientation program 2020. So this is where we are situated. So the department here is at Engineering Sciences block, level 5. The Department of Biotechnology, I welcome all our dear first semester students to this orientation program 2020. So this
सम्राट सर
ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್
ಎಕೋ ಬರ್ತಿದೆಯಾ
ಎಕೋ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್
ಇವಾಗ ಸರ್
ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಎಕೋ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಸರ್
please check with the IT.
ಸಾಮ್ರಾಟ್ ಸರ್ ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ.
ಈಗೇನಕ್ಕೋ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
Good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of the Department of Biotechnology, I welcome all our dear first semester students to this orientation program 2020. So this is where we are situated. So the department is housed here in the Engineering Sciences block, level 5. So let me run you through the vision and the mission of the department. So the vision of the department is to be a leading biotech department that imparts quality technical education with a strong research component to develop solutions in the field of food, health, and environment. And the mission of the department is to provide quality technical education in a conducive learning environment in order to produce professionals, researchers with a zeal for lifelong learning and a commitment to society. So the department profile here is, the department was established in the year 2002 with the BE Biotechnology program, started under the Vishwesvaraya Technological University, VTU Belgaum, with an intake of 30 students. And then in 2006, the student intake increased from 30 to 60. And 2007, the institute got autonomy under VTU. So we have academic autonomy. So the degree even now is conferred by VTU. So 2008, we were recognized as a research and development center offering PhD and MSc programs in biotechnology. And 2009, the B program here received accreditation from NBA, and the accreditation we got for 3 years. It is 2010 to 13. And 2011, the OBE or outcome-based education system was implemented. 2011, the MTech, that is Masters in Technology program in Biotechnology, was started under the autonomous scheme with an intake of 18 students. 2016, the BE Biotechnology program was accredited by NBA for 3 years, that is from 2016 to 2019. And 2017, we initiated a new program. This is a postgraduate diploma program in the domain of biopharmaceutical technology. And this program was funded and sanctioned by the KBITS, Government of Karnataka. And here again, the intake is of 20 students. And 2018, we had the accreditation for this postgraduate diploma program by the LSSDC. 2019, the BE Biotechnology program was again further accredited for 3 years, that is 2019 to 22, and 2019 again, the MTech Biotechnology program was accredited for 3 years, that is from 2019 to 2022. So all the programs, that is the undergraduate, postgraduate, as well as the postgraduate diploma programs that are offered at the department have been accredited by national agencies. And the domain areas and faculty expertise that we have in the department are in all the major areas of biotechnology, that is health and medical, food and agri, and environmental and bioprocess engineering. So currently at the department, we have 14 faculty members, 2 professors, 4 associate professors, and 8 assistant professors. So 11 of these faculty members hold PhDs, and 3 others are pursuing PhD and very soon will be completing their PhD. So some of the areas of specialization of the faculty members are in the area of microbial control using plant extracts, nanomaterials, nanocomposites, their synthesis and application, then toxicology, drug design and delivery, virology, wastewater treatment, and alternative fuels. So my area of specialization is food biotechnology and nanotechnology. And I have about 16 years of research experience and teaching experience, and 11 years of exclusive research experience. Dr. Chandraprabha ML is a professor at the department. So she has MS in engineering and PhD again from IISc in materials sciences area. Her areas of interest are bioprocess engineering and environmental biotechnology. Dr. P. Damodar, associate professor. His areas of interest are medical biotechnology and enzyme technology. Dr. Ahalya, her areas of specialization are microbiology and environmental biotechnology. Dr. Ravi Kumar Vyas, associate professor. His areas of interest are virology and targeted drug delivery. Dr. Prabha, associate professor. Areas of interest are medical biotechnology, neurochemistry. Dr. Lokesh, assistant professor. His area of interest is pharmaceutical biotechnology. Mr. Samrat, assistant professor. His areas of interest are nanobiotechnology and microbiology. Mr. Gokul Krishnan, his area of interest is bioprocess engineering. Dr. Bhavya, assistant professor. Her areas of interest are enzyme technology and bioprocess engineering. Mr. T.P. Krishnamurthy, his areas of interest are bioinformatics and bioprocess engineering. Dr. Abhijit, his areas of interest are cell and molecular biology, cancer biology, and neurobiology. So Mrs. Monica here, who is a teaching assistant, and also, she happens to be our alumnus, both say UG and PG. Her areas of interest are animal cell culture and phytochemistry. Dr. Roshni, assistant professor. So she is interested in nanobiotechnology and medical biotechnology. That also happen to be her areas of specialization. Dr. Priyadarshini De, assistant professor, specializes in environmental biotechnology, proteomics, and metabolomics. The non-teaching staff, so mostly the office matters and office assistance is taken care of by Mr. Rangana. Then we have instructors, Mrs. Sheila, Sharda, and Jyoti. And also we have Mr. Kodanda and Mr. Nagaraju. So to brief you about the curriculum and the teaching learning process, so the curriculum for the B program is designed as per the guidelines of BTU, the All India Council of Technical Education, and also it has been tailored as per the Graduate Aptitude Test Examination, GATE, and other discipline-specific professional bodies. So these courses in the curriculum, they have been aligned to keep pace with most of the requirements in the field of biotechnology. So the major components of the program include mathematics, basic sciences, basic engineering sciences, humanities, professional core courses, electives, industrial internships, seminars, and project work. So for the 2018 batch onwards, including your batch, that is now the 2020 intake or 2020 to 21, batch students, for them, the total credits is 175. So the key components for you would be basic sciences, 28 credits, basic engineering sciences, 20, professional core courses 64, professional courses, that is electives 20 credits, other open electives 8, project work 25, humanities and social sciences 10, so totaling to 175 credits in this 4-year, that is 8 semesters of your undergraduate biotechnology program. So the department has been receiving several externally funded projects from various international, national, and state agencies. So the most recent funding has been received by Dr. Chandraprabha. So from the Department of Science and Technology, and also from DST, Government of Karnataka, DST, that is Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So of 40 lakhs and 30 lakhs. And also we have other funding that has been received before that, 2019, 2017. So then the department has been getting a steady flow of funding from various funding agencies. Publications, again, our faculty members are actively publishing in reputed journals, peer-reviewed, Scopus cited journals. So publications as well as books and book chapters. So these are regularly happening at the department. And the publications as well as the book chapters are, several times co-authored with students. The students also receive funded projects. So the KCST, state body, funds student projects, and every year we get at least one or say two sometimes, such funding for the student projects. Likewise, the MSRIT Alumni Association also funds student projects. The department received funding of 162.5 lakhs from the state agency, that is KBITS. So department, under the Department of ITBT and SNT. So this funding was received to start a postgraduate diploma program in biopharmaceutical technology. The department has a state-of-the-art, well-equipped facility. So all the laboratories are well-equipped. And these laboratories that we have, they are exclusive for the courses that are listed under each laboratory. And the facility for undergraduate program is separate from that of the postgraduate program. So the labs that are used by the UG students, again, so these are exclusive to the UG students. So these are glimpses of some of the labs. You have microbiology, bioinformatics lab, then this is the animal cell culture lab, then plant tissue culture facility. Like I mentioned, again, we have two separate PG labs, which are used by postgraduate students. And apart from that, we also have R&D, that is research and development labs. So some of the major equipment, some of your students would have seen some of these equipment earlier, or for the others, this is a high performance liquid chromatography unit, gel dock unit, then PCR, flow cytometer, fluorescence microscope, dissolution test apparatus, flash chromatography, and so on. So whatever is prescribed in your curriculum, so you have all the equipment required for that, and over and above that for all of your project work and R&D activities that are carried out at the department. The department has excellent collaborations with industries. So we jointly organize several programs, and also our students undertake internships, project work in these industries. So some of our collaborating industries are Biocon, Novozymes, Unilever, Himalaya, and so on. So for the biotechnology skill enhancement program, or the postgraduate diploma program that I mentioned to you about, so again, the department has collaborated with several industries, and they provide 6 months of internship in these partner industry. Likewise, for the B as well as the PG program also, we have collaborations with industries. So that's how most of our students, are able to bridge that academia and industry gap and become industry ready. So workshops, seminars, and conferences are, always organized in collaboration with industries. Like we've had programs organized with Bristol Myers Squibb, Novozymes, with Himalaya, Beckman Coulter, Semilabs, and so on. So these are some of the workshops, faculty development programs, conferences, and symposia that have been organized. The most recent one has been in December 1st to 16th. So this is an online short-term course on nanomaterials, synthesis, characterization, and application that was jointly organized with the Department of Chemistry. So apart from that, there are so many other programs also that have been organized in 2020, about 7 or 8 such webinars and training programs we have organized, and these have benefited our students greatly. So to mention also here, the All India Council of Technical Education sponsored an event that was organized by the department. So the theme of the conference was recent trends and technologies in biotechnology and allied sciences. So this conference was organized from the 5th to the 7th of November, 2020. So there were other add-on courses like from October 26th to 30th. We had an add-on course on nanotechnology in biomedical applications. Then apart from that, other e-workshops in the areas of nanomaterials, then also about immunomodulatory, functional foods and nutraceuticals, then webinar series again on drug discovery and development. So likewise, we've had earlier also such programs. So these add-on courses and workshops have really added a lot of value to the student profile. So again, continuing there, 2019, likewise, along with industries, we have organized these workshops and training programs for the benefit of our students and faculty members. So continuing again, 2018, some of these programs have been organized. So our students intern at various national institutes as well as in industries, and some of them have also undergone internships in universities abroad. So some of these industries where our students have interned are Himalaya, then at Unilever, and apart from that, they have also interned at national institutes of repute like the Indian Institute of Science, NCPS, and so on. Our students, especially, about 30 to 40% of the students, they pursue higher education. So majority of them go for their masters. However, there are some students who even directly enroll for PhD programs. So, they have been to the best of universities abroad, Ivy League schools like Harvard, Yale, and also several other universities in Europe. The results of our students has always been excellent, impeccable, I should say, mostly 100% pass percentage. 2020, 98, yeah, that was because of a COVID situation that our student had. So she tested positive for COVID at that time, and because of which she could not take the exam immediately. But then later on, she cleared. And higher studies, like I mentioned. So this is like the information that we have of students, immediately this very same year, if they enroll for higher studies, so that percentage is mentioned. However, like I told you, in a couple of years, it's almost like 40 to 50% of the students pursue higher education. And placement, we have an excellent placement department, and over 90% placement is facilitated. So the achievements of our students is excellent, I should say. They qualify almost all national, international exams and tests, especially GATE here, which is a national entrance test here. So several of our students have qualified it this time. So 2019-20, if you see the statistics, so there are students who have qualified GATE, and there are others who are, going to write GATE, and likewise even GRE, TOEFL. The student funded projects. So I put up this table for you all to see the information. So the funding would not be much. However, the funding is usually as an encouragement to students, and then it is a matter of pride for the students. And also, like I mentioned, it adds a lot of value to the students' CV. So in 2020, one of the PG projects got funded, and also, happy to let you know that the project got the best project award too. 19 again received funding. So likewise, every year, at least one or two students receive this project funding. Likewise, funding from the MSRIT Alumni Association is also received by our students. Our students receive several national fellowships, so via which they are able to intern at several of India's premier research institutes, you will see here our students have received INSA fellowship to intern at Indian Institute of Toxicological Research, then also at IIT Madras. We organize industrial visits very regularly for our students, such that they have experience and a glimpse of what it means to be like in an industry and how an industry functions. Excuse me. So we've taken our students to industries like Equity Labs, then the Himalaya Drug Company, then also to several research institutes. So like at CCAMP, that is the Center for Cellular and Molecular Platforms, then the Indo-American Hybrid Seeds, Himalaya Drug Company, and Beckman Coulter, Nestle. So some of our students have received the prestigious Erasmus Mundus Fellowship in order to pursue a master's program. So Shishira received the International Masters in Innovative Medicine. So likewise, Namita R. Shankar, again, she too received this fellowship. Our students have a well-rounded personality, so the institute and the department encourages students to participate in co-curricular and extracurricular activities. So our students participate in public speaking contests. Then they participate in several ideathons. And they again participate in various sporting activities and win prizes and laurels. And they also involve in certain NGO activities, so wherein they contribute to society. So this is one such organization. Excuse me. So this organization, that is this NGO, again has activities that is called as Biodiversity and DNA Life. Our students have several short movie contests and several other extracurricular activities also they have participated in. Some of the recent ones are listed here. So some of them are co-curricular, others are extracurricular activities. So just running you through some of these. The department has a society, a professional body. So this is a student society. So this society is called as Srijan, Society of Biotechnologists. And we bring out a magazine called as Progenitor. The department society, that is Srijan, has organized several talks during 2020. So we have invited Professor M.R.N. Murthy from IIC. Then we have had an expert from Vice Governor, Dr. Sahul. Then likewise from NIMHANS, Dr. Falguni Anand. Again from IIC and IIT also we've had experts giving online talks. Apart from the societal activity, the department has also organized other invited talks. So we recently invited Dr. Chanakya from IIC. So he spoke about microbiological waste management. Then Dr. Dipankar Nandi. So he spoke about T-cell co-stimulation, anti-tumor responses. So likewise, we've had some international speakers too. So again, the list goes on. So there have been several such talks over the years. Some of the innovative practices and initiatives that we have a completely web-enabled student information system and proctoral system. So this helps the parents too, who get to monitor their wards. So their wards, attendance, then marks, all of this would be available to them via this proctoral system that is web-enabled. We have a Wi-Fi enabled campus, and all the classrooms are ICT enabled. The type of system of education that we follow here is outcome-based education. The complete examination process is automated, and there is a separate department of extracurricular activities. We organize several vocational and certificate programs, add-on courses like you've just seen. Then we promote self-learning in students, and we have a very active entrepreneurship development cell. We organize remedial classes for slow learners. And every year we organize an open day and project exhibition. So this is open to all the stakeholders, it is the students, parents, and industry. So with this, I conclude this presentation about the department and its activities. So in case any of you have any doubts, you may please feel free to check with us. So if any of the students are online and wish to ask any questions, you may please feel free to do so now, or you may even email us, call us, write to us. You could even visit the department. Please inform us in advance such that we can take care of the SOPs and also maintain safety for all. In case there aren't any questions right away, then thank you so much. And welcome to the biotechnology family. So wishing you all the best and see you all soon once your online classes start.